Viruses, bacteria, and germs are on our minds and in our lives, in our homes, in our workplaces. We're left to wonder every day, have we let in the invisible enemy? It has unveiled a world of new protocols we could have never imagined. Introducing Luma from Violux, the smart UVC light disinfector. By harnessing the power of ultraviolet light technology, Luma kills harmful germs, bacteria, and viruses. Now trust the cleanliness of objects you touch every day. The food you just handled. The car key you just used. The phone you just touched. The toy your child just played with. In as little as 1 minute, Luma safely disinfects. Luma's powerful ultraviolet reactor utilizes an array of UVC lamps, optimized to provide enhanced light focus and strength, engineered for 360 degrees of cleaning. More than just a smarter way to clean, Luma is Wi-Fi enabled with smart sensing and self-diagnostic capabilities. With the mobile app, you'll get reminders to disinfect your personal items daily. Join Luma in making our community safer. Together, we can outsmart and outshine pathogens. Learn more about Violux and how you can create a cleaner world on Indiegogo. Your world in a cleaner light.